Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a baby donkey unicorn. So let's draw it together. Let's try. Okay, first take your pen. Do you have a piece of paper? Let's begin. First we're going to draw the little eye. Like so. And from there we're going to connect the eye in this way. And we're going to draw there. Okay, so now you can draw the inside of the eye with a circle like that and a smaller circle there. Good. And now we're going to draw another circle and another circle, and we're going to color it in to make our eye. Perfect. There we go. There's a little eye. Now let's draw the horn. There we go. There's our little horn. And now for the face. Right. Now the little head. We're going to draw down like this. We're going to go like so. We're going to go like so. And now we're going to bring it back. Good. And a little nose on top. And another nose right there. And a little smile. There we go. And now let's draw the hair. First of all, we're gonna draw a piece of hair like that, and it will go back like so. And the ear. Now for the ear, we're gonna draw some hair in this way, and we're gonna start off like so. And remember, our donkey is gonna have big ears. There we go, there's one ear, and then we're just gonna complete the ear like this. Perfect. Look, what a big ear. Okay, and then we're gonna go down like this again. And that's the front part of the hair. Perfect. And now let's make our hair a little bit rough from this side, like so. Good. There we go. And now for our donkey, let's draw a circle like that, or a line like that, and we're gonna draw the neck. We're gonna bring it down like so. Good. Then for the hair, we're gonna go back like so, and we're gonna draw the body. So follow along with me like there, and then first we're gonna draw the little front leg like so, and then the other one. So there's the other front leg, and then you're going to draw a line like there and a line like so. And then for the hooves, there is our hooves. Good. Perfect. Now let's draw the hair. Let's complete the hair here at the back of the neck, like so. And maybe another piece like so. Oh, I think it looks very nice. Now what do you think? Should the donkey sit or stand? Maybe let's draw a standing donkey. Alright, so then we're going to draw the line like there, the back of the leg, like so. And we're going to connect everything. Great. And now for the donkey's little belly. A nice round belly. And from here, we're going to draw a line like there. Now for the hind legs. So first we have to measure. So we would say the leg would probably go there. Now you're going to draw a line back like so. And then you're going to draw a line to the front. And like this. Right. And you draw the little hoof. Perfect. And we're going to draw it back like so. Good. Now the tricky part. A line like that. Perfect, perfect. And now let's draw the other leg. So it's a bit smaller. A line like there, and you bring it down and you do this. And you draw the hoof again. And there we go, there's our little donkey. So our donkey's tail, let's draw that. So we're going to draw a line like there. And then right at the end, our donkey is going to have a bushy little tail. Perfect. And there's our donkey. And let's draw the other ear quickly. So the other ear will probably sit here. And let's try to finish off the ear. A little line like so. A bit of zigzag to give it some texture there. And then let's see. Yeah, the donkey is standing on some grass. Perfect. And what should we draw else? Let's see. Maybe we can quickly draw a little star again, right here in front. And there we go. There's our little donkey. We can maybe just draw something around the neck, just to make the donkey look a little bit interesting. There we go. And I think that's that. That's our little donkey. If you enjoyed drawing with me, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.